Hello, I'm ETarte, math teacher. Some geometry students whom I'm currently tutoring are studying triangles, and specifically they've been studying perpendicular bisectors of sides of triangles and medians of triangles. I made a math challenge video about the three perpendicular bisectors of a triangle and how they meet all at one point. This is something that the geometry students are told by their teachers, but as far as I know, without any evidence given to support that fact. Well, this video is about medians of a triangle. Here's a triangle shown in blue, and here is a median of it shown in red. It goes from this top vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. That means that this part of this bottom side and this part of the bottom side both have the same length. Here is another median of the triangle. It goes from this vertex on the left to the midpoint of this side on the right. And there is one other median of the triangle, not shown. It will go from this vertex to the midpoint of this side on the left. And obviously these two medians that I've drawn intersect at this point. Geometry teachers of students whom I tutor have told their students that the three medians of a triangle all intersect at the same point. But again, as far as I know, they don't offer any evidence to support that fact, and they don't ask their students to find any such evidence. Well, that's the basis for this challenge. So I'm placing this triangle in the coordinate plane with the base, the bottom side, horizontal along the x-axis from the origin 0, 0 out to a point whose coordinates I call 2a, 0. And I call the coordinates of the top vertex 2b, 2c. And your challenge is to show that all three medians, the two that I've shown and the one that I have not yet drawn, all intersect at the same point. In order to show that, we will need to use some ideas that I expressed in my math challenge about the three perpendicular bisectors of the sides of a triangle. And if you need guidance for this challenge, I invite you to watch that video. You can follow the link below this video. If you solve this challenge and would like to tell me about your solution, I'd be glad to have you do so. You can do it in a private message at my profile page. Or I'm happy to take your word for it that you solved it. If you solve it correctly, you can have a prize if you want it. The prize that I offer is what I call a six-pack. It's an audio folder consisting of 6 piano selections taken from my extensive YouTube piano collection. If you want the prize, please request it and include your email address. In any event, I hope that if you work on this challenge, it will give you mental stimulation and pleasure. Thank you for watching.